Butte is my favorite place to come in the whole world.
It's a spiritual experience.
It's our way of handing down our heritage.
They are just the most beautiful people, and it's such an Irish town with such Irish history, and they have maintained a unique Irishness about them that I simply adore.
The Henri Raw crew, as I call them, love Butte, love Irish music, love Irish culture, and they want to spread that.
It's our heritage, it's our music, it's our friendships, it's our camaraderie, and it's a nice rainstorm every now and then.
I have always loved the Henri Raw Festival.
This festival isn't a money-making proposition, it's a love proposition. It's about being proud to be Irish and about being proud to be Butte.
The word is out. Butte, Montana is a great festival, and they want to be here.
Come on out to Henri Raw and hear some fantastic music, watch some great dancing, learn about Irish culture, share your ideas, and just feel the big hug that is Butte, America.